we have been redesigned, and you can go your class page by using this one, or you can go here by using here. Just click on the onward English medium or English medium, or from this button you can go Cambridge curriculum and educational curriculum. Uh, then you will get your page. Just click here, coming here, and then you will get the page. This is the page. I can go from here, A-level question, and then you will get your go to your page, class page. Uh, and the registration link, when it will be activated, we will provide you the user ID and password. Then you can also use the user ID password. The user ID password will be new for this new website. I hope you have understand. And this page, the free page, any student can visit our free page, but the content relating page are locked, and it will be open only direct link and by using user ID and password. Okay.
Okay.
Then today we are going to discuss from the trigonometry. As I told you earlier, we will cover the trigonometry by this week. So we are running delay of for 24 hours. We have gone back, and I hope it will take another one day to cover. To tomorrow morning, we also continue class for trigonometry and chemistry, and then maybe Saturday, Sunday. Sunday, the trigonometry chapter will be fully covered. Okay. So today we will discuss few problems from trigonometry, and trigonometry, the portion that we have already discussed, you should have at least 2 to 3 times division. The procedure or the systems that I have
Yes, sir.
already covered, because it will when you will watch video or join my class, you think that it will be too much easy, but the thing is actually not so. So for doing good in math and chemistry, there is no alternative of practice. Much more practice is required, and that's why you have to invest time. And I hope your coaching taking too much time, right?
Sir, yeah, when I have math and physics class, yeah, together, then it takes 9 or 9:30 p.m.
Mm. How many days they continue chemistry class and math class?
Sir,
Mm.
chemistry class is every Monday,
Mm.
Monday, Wednesday, Thursday is our lab,
Mm.
and Saturday. Yes.
Okay.
And the rest days are physics and
So
yeah,
in
maths.
normally working day, other than Friday and Saturday, all the days are too
And
much busy.
other than Friday, I have coaching every day.
Right. So it is taking too much time to go to coaching and coming back and attending in the class also in the coaching. So
Yes, sir, it's a little far from here, same
mm,
from my home.
d- distance is not so far, but the traffic jam is taking too much time to go and coming back again, right?
The distance is also a little far. I stay in Nagarpara, now my coaching is in Dhanmondi, Lalmartia. It takes around
Right.
1 hour if I go by.
Mm. Okay. Today we are going to start a few problems from trigonometry, as I said to you, and the problem that we will solve. These are very easy. When you watch my class, then it will take very you will feel this is very easy, but uh, as you feel the thing is not so easy. So it will be much more easier if you go practice after just after finishing class. I mean, when you will complete my math class, After completing math class, you should have 2 to 3 hours or 1 to 2 hours break. Then you should go for revision.
Okay, sir.
If you do not do that or keep pending, then it will much more difficult for you. Hmm. So
Okay, sir.
keep this information in your mind, that you have to practice more and more until or unless you are practicing as much as you can. It will not be so easier to you. And anyhow, you have to find out the practice time so that you can do practice accordingly. So our question, that is, we are
Yes,
solving
sir.
question number uh, now in my at my I will give you the note. And there you will get the question number 20. Question number 20. We are solving this. You do not need to take note. Just you focus on the screen so that you can understand. Is the screen clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Question 20. Okay. Question 20 is telling us prove that identity tan x plus 1 by tan x. Prove that tan x plus 1 divided by tan x. Tan x plus 1 divided by tan x, huh? equal to 1 divided by sin x cos x. By watching this equation, what you feel? What you have to do? Can you imagine anything? As our if you already have a revision of our past class on trigonometry, then it is possible to
Sir,
for
the
you.
right is a little small because it is not.
Right hand side is telling you that you have to go to the sin x and cos x, and left hand side has the
No, sir.
combination.
I was saying the question is a little small. It is not seeable.
Skin is called. Oh, acha, you cannot read, right?
Yes, sir. It's very small.
Okay, I will write. Is it okay now? Tan x
Yes,
plus
sir.
1 by tan x equal to 1 divided by sin x cos x. If you look at the right hand side, you can see right hand side is telling you that you have to go to sin x and cos x. And you know, tan theta equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay.
Cos theta. Yes,
So
yes, sir.
if you apply this formula in the left hand side, then it will be easier for you to go to the sin x and cos x, right? So
Sir,
let's see.
Wi-Fi is a little bad. It is lagging.
Okay. From my
Yes,
side,
sir.
is it clear now? Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll have a focus on the left hand side as we will proved from the left hand side to right hand side. But we know that the formula, and we will apply this formula and the left hand side so that we can solve, or you can go to the right hand side. So when you will get these types of math to solve, then you should focus on the right hand side. What is telling right hand side? So right hand side should be
Okay,
focused
sir.
more as you go from left hand side to right hand side. So tan x left hand side, just we will prove tan x plus 1 divided by tan x plus 1 divided by tan x. What is happening here? Sin x divided by cos x plus
cos
1 divided by sin x and cos x divided by cos x. So we can write easily plus is it clear?
yes sir.
Okay. Now can we write this cos x plus cos x divided by sin x? Is it okay? This line?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now we are going to the next line. Uh, sin x divided by cos x plus cos x divided by sin x. Sin x. Now what we will do? Dot cos x. Then what will happen? Is it okay? This line to this line.
Yes sir.
Now we know that
Yes sir.
you will just keep a note. Just when you will solve the math, then you will write this at the right hand side. This one as
Okay sir.
sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. So we can write 1 divided by sin x divided by cos x. Proved. Equal to right hand side লিখে দিলে হবে। Right hand side. Is it okay?
sin x square আর cos x square এটা আবার বলতে পারবেন?
This is the formula. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. Okay.
Yes sir.
This is the formula. We have just put the value of sin squared theta and cos squared theta. Theta means here x. That is sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So we have
আচ্ছা বুঝছি। Yes
written 1 and divided by sin x dot cos x. Clear?
yes
Question was asked you to go to this point, up to this point. Now it is okay.
yeah. Yes sir.
Don't you think that this is a very easy?
Yes sir, but sometimes it's confusing which formula to use.
Uh, okay. After coming to this line, this line,
Yes sir.
you will focus the what have to prove. Right hand side is telling you 1 divided by sin x cos x.
So do you only do one side at a time?
Right, one side, only one side. One side from one
Okay
side,
sir.
you will go prove another side. All the math in this way will be proved. But when you are watching or joining my class, you think that this is very easy. I can do it by myself at any time. I do not need to revise, it's etc. But thing is not so easy. You have to practice. Until or unless you will do practice, this will create a bigger problem. You cannot solve this, though the math is very simple. Got my point? Now the second question.
Yes sir.
Now the second question. Second question is solve the equation telling us solve the equation. Which equation? 2 divided by sin x dot cos x equal to 2 divided by sin x dot cos x. This is the left hand side. Equal to, you have to prove 1 plus, very, very important math. Keep high concentration. 1 plus 3 tan x. Tan x. There is a condition applied here for for 0 degree less than or less than 180 degree. This is the terms has been applied. Very important. Among last year's question has been shown in the final exam. So we have to solve this. Now for solving this, you can see there is the equation left hand side to right hand side, and we have to find out the value of theta, and which under the value of theta should not exceed 180 degree. So the angle,
Yes, sir.
will remain below. This math is telling you this. Math is a language. Mind it. Math is a language you have to understand by reading the question. So for solving this, we can use a tricks that can be easy for you. So we are now going to solve. Very careful. Among have concentration for 5 minutes. We will solve it.
Okay, sir.
Just wait. The equation that you have solved from the question number 20A, that is question 21, the previous one, and now we will solve this the attached question. This is number 2, huh? 21 1 and 21 2. When you will go to solve this equation from the previous portion, then it will be required to go back into the sine and cos coordinate consideration. So for doing this, we can write here by this way: 2 into 1 divided by sine x cos x, okay, equal to 1 plus 3 tan x. Okay, this one. Just now you have proved a value in question number 1 of this equation. What was that? I am writing again. It was tan x plus 1 divided by tan x equal to 1 divided by sine x cos x. Just the previous one, we have proved it, right? Right now we have proved it. This one too, this one proved in one. Question number 1. Are you okay with the screen? Can you read?
Yes, sir.
Okay, as it is creating problem, from tomorrow we'll from our next lecture we'll keep our note in front of our screen. Okay, so it will be help
Okay,
you
sir.
to get a clear picture. So from here you can see the 1 divided by sine x dot cos x equal to tan plus 1 divided by tan x. So we can put the value. Which value?
Yes.
This one, this value.
Yeah.
We can prove this way, this way. So what can be written? 2 into uh, tan x plus 1 divided by tan x.
Yes, sir.
Tan x plus 1 divided by tan
10x.
x equal to 1 plus 3 tan x. The tricks have been applied here. Is this: you have to memorize, as the question, 2 question will be setted for a single question. So a single question will have 2 portion. Number 1 portion that we have solved already, and the number 2 that we are solving. So we will solve the equation number, that is question number 2, with the help of question number 1, as we are putting the value of this one. Do you
Okay, sir.
understand? Do you understand what I said?
Yes, sir.
This one. This one will be used to solve the equation number 2. And from where we get this? From equation number 1, we have get this. Tan x plus 1 divided by tan x equal to 1 divided by sin x into
Mm,
cos x.
okay.
Okay. Then um, we can multiply. So we are writing the next line from this one. So after multiplying, we can write this one 2 tan x, just multiplying 2 tan x plus 2 divided by 2 divided by tan x. 2 divided by tan x equal to 1 plus 3 tan x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What did we do? Just we have multiplied. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
what we'll do now? Okay. Tan x. 2 tan square x plus 2 equal to 1 plus 3 tan x. So what will be happen? We can write here 2 tan square x plus 2 equal to tan x 3 tan square x. Can you understand this line to this line?
Sir, can you repeat it the last?
Uh, this one, we we multiplied this one to this one and this one, right?
Cross multiply.
Right, cross multiplication. And after
Okay.
cross multiplication, we can write this. So what we will do now, we are watching that the equation is in a direction that there is a similar terminology both the side. Here is tan x, here is tan
Okay,
x.
sir.
Eh, So what we will do, we'll just change the side. We'll transfer all the right hand side component to the left hand side. 2 tan square x plus 2 minus tan x minus 3 tan square x equal to 0. Now what can we do? 2 tan square x, 3 tan square x, that is right here এখানে 2 minus tan x minus tan square x. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Mm, but right now, just what? Okay. So for solving this equation, we can do one thing. That is, we can rearrange tan square x plus tan x minus 2. Why we did this? Multiplied by minus 1, both side. By minus 1, both side. Okay. So if you multiply this line, then you will get this line. Got it? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 into 2 equal to minus 2. Minus 1 into tan x equal to plus tan x. Minus tan square x into minus 1, that is tan square x. So you can go for middle term factor, right? And you can find out the value of x. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you can do now. What you will do? Tan square x plus tan x minus 2. It means that 2 tan square x minus tan x. I can break down also. It will help you to solve the math. And the rest of the portion you will do because it is so easy. Just I'm doing the writing the middle factor terminology. You can write this way: tan square x, uh, tan square x plus 2 tan x, 2 tan x minus tan x plus, sorry, minus 2, right? Then you can, from this line, you can go to the previous line. Tan square x plus 2 tan x minus tan x minus 2 equal to 0. Then you can get common, right? Tan square x plus 2 tan x.
Yes, sir.
You can take tan x common, right? So here tan x plus 2, and you can get common minus 1. Then tan x plus 2 equal to 0. So you can write tan x plus 2 into tan x minus 1 equal to 0. Now it is easy for you to find out the value of x, right? Can you do
Yes,
that?
sir.
You
Yes,
will
sir.
get the value of
Uh,
tan x, and then the value of tan x have to convert into angle. I will, as
okay,
I
sir.
will show you the send you the note uploaded, so you can, the rest portion we can easily do that. Tan x plus 1 equal to 0, or tan x minus 1 equal to 0. So tan x equal to what? And sorry, এখানে তো 2 হবে একটা, তাই না? Tan x plus 2, এটা কিন্তু 2, this is not 1.
Yes, sir.
Tan x equal to minus 2 or
Okay,
tan
sir.
x equal to 1. So you will then find out the value of tan x. Tan x means tan theta. Tan theta equal to কোণ হচ্ছে alpha, that is alpha কোণ value what, and then value what. When tan x equal to 2, then what will be the angle? Around 63-degree angle হবে, if you find out the value from the calculator, the tan 2 এর মান কত, what is the value of tan x equal to minus 2, then what is will be the angle. Okay. So this is the two most important math that we have solved, and this math will be revised by today, by tonight, not for tomorrow. Okay,
Okay, sir.
before going to sleep, you should have a practice once time. If you face any problem, just write to me. So this two math is very important, and you have to practice before going to sleep. After closing all tasks, when you will go to sleep, just have a 10 minutes to solve this equation. And in the meantime, I will upload the note of this math. Now, just one more problem we will solve now, or another 5 minutes. I hope you are so tired, as you have already gone 4 to 5 hours at the coaching. And so I will not take too much time right now. Just I will solve another one problem. These three problem will should be revised before going to bed tonight. No pending. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We have to prove, what have to prove? You have to prove 1 divided by cos x. Just I am writing the math. 1 divided by cos x. 1 divided by cos x minus tan x. Tan x, first bracket, and then another first bracket. 1 divided by sin x. 1 divided by sin x plus 1. This one. What have to prove? I have to prove 1 divided by tan x. This is very simple math. This is very simple math. You have to prove 1 divided by tan x. For solving this, we can write here. What can we do? Left hand side. Left hand side, we can write 1 divided by cos x minus sin x divided by tan x. Right? Cos x. First bracket close. And then we can keep it as the same. Sin x. Now the question why we did this, because to convert the terminology in the same form. Here is the tan x was the uncomfortable situation regarding this structure. So tan x can be written as sin x divided by cos x. Why? We know that tan theta equal to sin theta divided by cos theta, right? No, you know this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we will do now? Uh, mm, cos theta, na? Okay, we can have this one cos theta, 1 minus sin theta, and here you can write 1 plus sin x, not theta. This one is x. First bracket close, and this is sin x. So what can be written? 1 minus sin square x divided by cos theta into sin theta equal to, what can be written? This one can be written cos square x divided by cos theta sin theta, right? Cos square x cos theta sin theta. You can write cos theta, sorry, cos x, not theta, x, cos x into cos x, cos x into cos x divided by cos x, 1 by 8 to 1 minute, cos x into sin x. Now try to understand, you can understand this or not. Okay, this line, from this line to
Yes, sir.
this line. Okay, just read it and try to understand. I'm coming back.
Okay.
কালকে হচ্ছে 3:30 গাড়ি তো খাওয়া দাওয়া কেমনে কি করতে কোন গাছে তিনটে আপনাদের কোয়ালিটি আপনি তো অনেক কিছু করতে পারছেন। হ্যাঁ, তাকে তো যেগুলো হ্যাঁ, আপনি 2-4 লাখ টাকা কামাইতে পারবেন। কালকে আসেন, কালকে আবার করবো। সাইটটা একটু আপডেট করলাম, হ্যাঁ। হ্যাঁ, আসলে is it okay now? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
All the process are okay? All the line are okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what can you do now, right now? Just one more information you have to do. This one, you can see, this one cos x, this is cos x divided by cos x dot sin x. So cos x equal to will be finalized. So what will happen? Here we will see cos x divided by sin x. Okay, cos x divided by sin x. Now what is right hand side telling you? Right hand side telling you that you have to go to 1 divided by tan x. So I am deleting all, then I'm coming back. Okay, so what the situation I arise? Cos x divided by sin x. So we can write here 1 divided by sin x divided by cos x divided by 1 divided by tan x. Why? Because tan x equal to sin x divided by cos x. This one,
Okay, sir.
right? Is it okay now? Can you
Yes, sir.
understand? Can you understand this line to this line?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will upload the note, and you will before going to bed, you will have a complete revision of this three math. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now it's all okay for right now. I have rest for 30 to 45 minutes. Then you will come back to your study again, and then all after completing all, just you will have a revision of this three math by tonight. Don't miss, I tell you, don't miss. Just before going to bed, you solve this three math by your own hand, and then you will close.
So
Okay.
can you send the questions then?
Right. I will send details, question and solution. I will send details.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है. So we are now closing.